Whispers travel fast in the RV community. At shows, in forums, even in late-night campfire chats, the same rumor surfaces again and again. Winnebago is working on something bigger, something bolder than anything we've ever seen. The alleged name? Horizon-X. Supposedly, it isn't just a motorhome. It's a revolution on wheels, a glimpse of the future that's closer than anyone dares to admit. They say the Horizon-X looks nothing like a traditional RV. Instead of bulky square corners, it wears sleek, sculpted curves designed with aerospace engineers. Its entire outer shell acts like a solar skin, absorbing sunlight from every angle, feeding energy into hidden battery packs rumored to rival Tesla's technology. If the leaks are true, this vehicle can stay off-grid for 45 days straight, powering everything inside without ever plugging in. But it doesn't stop there. Sources whisper about adaptive terrain suspension, a system borrowed from military vehicles. Imagine driving a 40-foot luxury coach up a rocky forest trail or down a sandy beach road, with the suspension adjusting itself in real time. No more being limited to paved campgrounds, this beast promises true all-terrain exploration. Inside, the Horizon-X reportedly abandons the cramped feel of traditional RVs. Instead, it embraces open-concept architecture. A living room with a full glass wall can transform at the touch of a button, clear for panoramic views, tinted for privacy, or opaque for turning into a giant 4K cinema screen. The couch automatically reclines, senses posture, and massages travelers during long drives. The kitchen might be the most mind-blowing feature. Rumor has it, it comes with an AI chef assistant robotic cooking arm that preps meals using ingredients from a climate-controlled pantry, all controlled by voice command. Cook a 4-course Italian dinner, and within minutes, pasta boils, sauces stir, and bread bakes. Travelers could enjoy gourmet dining while parked in the middle of nowhere. Then there's the bedroom designed more like a luxury hotel suite than an RV compartment. A king-sized bed with memory gel adjusts temperature for each sleeper. Above, a retractable skylight opens into the stars, turning the entire roof into a stargazing chamber. Imagine falling asleep in the Nevada desert, the Milky Way glowing directly overhead from the comfort of your bed. And just when skeptics think it's all smoke and mirrors, insiders drop the real bombshell, the transformable rooftop deck. At a single command, the roof lifts and unfolds, revealing a private sky lounge complete with modular seating, minibar, and a transparent dome ceiling. It's not just camping anymore, it's penthouse living on wheels. The Horizon-X is wrapped in secrecy. Winnebago refuses to confirm or deny the leaks, but insiders claim the company has invested over $1 billion into this single model. The buzz online is insane. Some say it's fake. Others swear they've seen prototypes being tested under heavy camouflage in the deserts of Nevada. The truth? Nobody knows for sure. But one thing is certain. If even half of these rumors are true, the Horizon-X could be the most revolutionary motorhome in history. If the Horizon-X's solar skin and rooftop lounge sound futuristic, wait until you hear what's allegedly hidden beneath its frame. Insiders whisper about something called the Adaptive Living Core, a design where parts of the motorhome literally expand and reconfigure depending on your needs. At the push of a button, the living space can slide outward, doubling the width of the lounge area. Another button, and a hidden balcony unfolds, complete with safety railings and a retractable awning. Imagine sipping coffee in the morning, not just outside your RV, but on your own private balcony suspended over the Grand Canyon. But the magic isn't just in the architecture. The Horizon-X is rumored to run on a self-learning AI system named Aurora. Aurora isn't your average voice assistant. It adapts to your habits. It learns you like your coffee, what kind of music you want on a rainy drive, even how warm you prefer the shower at different times of day. Some claim Aurora can even suggest destinations, scanning maps and weather data to recommend the perfect campsite. This isn't an RV, it's a living, breathing travel companion. And here's the detail that set forums on fire. The Horizon-X allegedly houses a drone bay. Yes, built-in drone storage. Inside a hidden compartment on the roof, a set of travel drones rests on wireless charging pads. At the driver's command, they launch into the air, scout campsites, record cinematic travel footage, or even deliver small items back to the RV. One leak suggested that these drones are adjacent to Aurora, meaning they can autonomously follow your motorhome, capturing sweeping 4K drone footage of your road trips, basically turning every traveler into a documentary filmmaker. Inside, the Horizon-X spares no detail. The bathroom isn't just functional, it's a spa on wheels. Heated marble-style flooring, rainfall shower with programmable water temperature, and even aromatherapy built into the ventilation system. Travelers say you can program the shower to mimic rainfall in the Amazon rainforest or the misty air of a coastal morning. Some claim prototypes even include a microsauna mode, turning the bathroom into a wellness chamber at the touch of a button. And the bedroom? More secrets. Not only does it have the retractable skylight, but leaks suggest the Horizon-X uses holographic projection walls. Want to fall asleep in Paris, the Sahara, or the Arctic? The walls can project 360 environments in 8K realism. Combined with ambient sounds and adjustable scents, it's basically a dream chamber that tricks your senses into thinking you're anywhere in the world, even while parked in your driveway. But the Horizon-X isn't all luxury fluff, it's practical too. The underbelly storage system is rumored to feature a hidden eave garage. Imagine lowering a ramp and rolling out an electric motorcycle, a TV, or even a compact folding car designed specifically for the Horizon-X. Travelers could park their motorhome in the wilderness and still explore cities with a smaller vehicle. One insider went as far as claiming the garage could also fit 2 electric bikes with automatic charging docks. Still, the most unbelievable rumor might be the pricing. Some insiders estimate the Horizon-X could launch for over $1.2 million, positioning it alongside luxury yachts. Others argue it could start as low as $800,000, making it the most expensive consumer RV Winnebago has ever created. Forums buzz with debates. Is this real or just fantasy designed to stir hype? Yet every leaked image and whispered feature only pulls people in deeper. The more the rumors spread, the more irresistible the story becomes. No one knows if Winnebago will confirm or deny it. Some insiders say an unveiling is coming soon, others say it's just smoke. But one thing is clear, the Horizon-X has already captured the imagination of the RV world. Even if it never exists, people can't stop dreaming about it. The deeper you dig into the Horizon-X story, the stranger the whispers become. Some say it isn't just a motorhome, it's the last RV you'll ever need. A machine so advanced, it adapts to any lifestyle, any climate, any dream. It doesn't just take you places, it transforms the way you live. Imagine driving into the frozen wilderness of Alaska. While most RVs would struggle in sub-zero conditions, the Horizon-X automatically shifts into Arctic survival mode. The walls thicken with built-in insulation. Heating systems redistribute warmth evenly, and the AI-assisted Aurora monitors air quality and oxygen levels. Leaks even suggest the windows can project simulated sunlight to help travelers fight seasonal depression. Now picture the opposite extreme, the desert. The Horizon-X activates Solar Oasis mode, channeling its solar skin into overdrive. Heat-deflecting nanocoating keeps the interior cool, while built-in water filtration systems pull condensation from the air, turning the driest desert campsite into a livable oasis. Some say it can generate up to 20 gallons of drinkable water per day, enough to sustain a family in total isolation. And then there's the forest. In eco-habitat mode, the Horizon-X deploys quiet electric propulsion running completely emission-free to preserve the environment. A rumored fold-out micro-greenhouse module allows travelers to grow herbs, vegetables, and even small fruit plants while on the road. For those who embrace off-grid living, this isn't just a motorhome, it's a sustainable future on wheels. But the Horizon-X doesn't just adapt to the environment, it adapts to its passengers. Aurora, the AI assistant, can allegedly predict routes based on moods. Feeling adventurous? It will suggest winding coastal roads with scenic overlooks. Feeling tired? It recommends the shortest, smoothest path to the nearest resort. Some insiders claim Aurora even syncs with health trackers, adjusting lighting, meals, and driving patterns to keep passengers in peak condition. And then comes the wildest rumor of all, the Horizon-X skylift. Leaks suggest that in emergency situations, the motorhome can deploy quad vertical lift drones to assist in towing or stabilizing the vehicle across difficult terrain. While skeptics dismiss this as science fiction, the concept has fueled endless online debates. Could Winnebago really be building the first flying-assisted RV? Inside, the details grow even crazier. The Horizon-X is said to feature a multi-sensory entertainment dome, a hidden chamber where walls, floor, and ceiling turn into a 360 immersive VR theater. Families could experience walking on Mars, diving in coral reefs, or flying through outer space, all without leaving the vehicle. If true, this isn't just camping, it's interplanetary exploration without ever stepping outside. Of course, skeptics call this all too good to be true. They say no company could pack so many features into a single vehicle. Yet each new leaked photo, each insider tip, keeps people glued to their screens, wondering if they're witnessing the birth of the most advanced recreational vehicle in human history. Some believe Winnebago will unveil the Horizon-X at an upcoming RV Expo in Las Vegas. Others claim it will remain forever a prototype, a legend that stirs imaginations but never hits production. But here's the truth. Whether the Horizon-X is real or not doesn't even matter anymore. It has already captured hearts, sparked dreams, and redefined what people expect from motorhomes. Because that's the power of a story like this. It doesn't just describe a vehicle, it plants a vision. A vision of freedom without limits, luxury without compromise, and exploration without boundaries. And for millions of dreamers across the world, that's enough to keep them watching, waiting, and believing.